Alright, so here's a look at the Elk Grove Waterfalls. This happens anytime we get a big storm like this. It is just up the street from the Home Depot on West Stockton Boulevard. So it's west of the freeway between Laguna Boulevard and Sheldon Road. As you can see, there's also a lot of trash. I mean a lot of trash. There's a trash can. There's something else over there. And then over here we've got a couch. No, excuse me, a chair, an ice chest, and who knows what else. But it's a pretty cool sight though.